Welcome to our channel, Nifty and Gold Silver Digger.
Big breakout for gold and silver or just a hoax? Gold is current landscape and silver is about 6 to 8 months landscape. Gold has touched 5-week high and still predictions are up to 3,500. However, gold made a high in April 2025, almost 3 months back, and since then it was consolidating. Gold is still maintaining its bullish structure. However, physical demand is lackluster in India and the world. Central bank buying, but not as robustly as it was last year comparatively. Gold stocking rising in China, India, and Russia. Weak dollar is also contributing the rise in price of gold. Gold probably could touch 115,000 by next week. Latest gold price in India, 24 karat gold rupees, 1,029 per gram. That means $1,090 per 10 gram. 22 karat gold, 92.85 per gram. Gold may touch 5,000 gram in long term. As per reports, central banks are robustly shopping gold. As per World Gold Council, central bank bought 1037 tons of gold in 2023, which was second historic buying in gold. RBI is also increasing its gold reserve. Gold is becoming a global currency hedge. In terms of return, silver has outshined gold. COMEX silver is at 14-year high. In India, it is also at all-time high and could touch INR 125,000 by Diwali. As per gold-silver ratio, there is still investment opportunity in silver. Silver is getting the advantage of industrial as well as jewelry demand. Silver jewelry demand is also rising along with industrial demand. Expected global demand in silver is 1.20 billion ounce, whereas expected global supply is 1.05 billion ounce. 5 consecutive years, there is a deficit in silver supply. That means demand is increasing in silver than supply, and marriage season may also push up its demand further.
Thanks for watching our channel, Nifty and Gold Silver Digger. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe our channel for more insights on markets and investing. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.